So this is what it looks like. Somebody scuffed my girlfriend's car in the parking lot. They hit a car and ran off. So now I'm in the process of I'm gonna see what I can do, how much I can fix it. I'm gonna try to clean it up with some spray. I'm gonna clean the car down. Then I'm gonna use some claybar to get any imperfections out of the paint. Then I'm gonna compound polish it, and then then compound polish it, and then go from there. And catch back at the video after. This is it cleaned it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna claybar it to get all the imperfections out of the paint, and then I'm gonna compound. Then I'm gonna start compounding. So this is just, I have to clean the clay off, so now I'm gonna claybar it and then go from there. So this is what it looks like after the claybar. Claybar took out some of the imperfections in the paint. So now it's clean. So now I'm gonna start by compounding this, and then from there we're gonna see what it looks like after the compound. You can barely see it off the door from far away. When you get up close, you can see it. Might not be able to get this out, but I'm gonna see how much will come off during the process. But let's see. A little compound will do. What I'll be using is meguiar's Pro Speed compound, and we'll go from there. So this is after one pass with the porter cable and the rubbing compound. Got out 98% of the scratches. It only left this gash, this, and then this here. As you can see, most of it did come out. Can't even tell. I haven't even polished it yet. I'm gonna go over it one more time with the porter cable. Regular $100 porter cable. And meguiar's orange cutting pad on speed 6. And this is how it looks. Got out 95%, 98 to 95% of the scratches. Okay. So now I'm gonna compound again one more time, polish, and then put some wax on it. So this is the second pass with the porter cable and the orange cutting disc. Most of the scratches are basically all gone. That was all here. All this has been cleaned up. That's what it looks like from far away. Super clean. All the scratches that were right here are gone. So I just used the black pad with the porter cable, the black pad, finishing pad, with the 205 Ultra Finishing Polish, and this is it. This is the difference. No more scuff. It's gone. So basically that scuff was like a clear coat scuff. So I was able to get most of it out. 98% of it out. I only left this little thing here, that here, and that scuff here. Other than that, little line here. Other than that, all the other scratches came out. And I have another machine that I can just pass on this and get that extra scuff out. It's a flex polisher. Oh, I just scuffed it. So that's how you remove a scuff from your vehicle. That easy. Alright, let me know what y'all think.